Hey, just want to show you guys what I picked up over the weekend. Some much needed lenses for my welding helmet. Had to make my own out of a safety shield before I picked these up. A new headgear for my welding helmet. Mine's absolutely worn out, so this is the upgraded design. So we'll see how that works. Gonna put it in a little bit. And a new welding jacket. My old one was just destroyed. It was all burnt through, had holes. So this one is here's the description. Black Stallion. So see how this works out. I know these are good. First time getting a Black Stallion, I believe. So they make pretty good products. So been using their gloves for a while. So thanks. If you guys want to know what I paid for that welding jacket, headgear, and lenses, $201.03 Canadian.